Want to know how to install JazzCash on your mobile, your iPhone or Android? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Play Store or your App Store depending on the OS that you have. Now just simply head towards the search bar on the bottom, and on top, just simply type in JazzCash. And now once after that, here you should be seeing JazzCash popping up. Just simply select that, and here you can directly select install or scroll down and see about these apps, when the last update was, and also ratings and reviews. I can just simply scroll all the way up and then select install. And once that is done, after a while the JazzCash should be installed and you can just simply use it normally. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.